We are here at the Embassy Suites in Tampa, Florida, near USF. And we're about to ride these Scenic elevators. There's 3 of them, as you can see here. Let's call one. They have self-cleaning buttons, as you can see here. Let's head up to 8.
Floor.
Here we are at 8.
Going down.
Let's go 1. I like the voice. So there are your fixtures. As you can see, each button has like this little plastic piece on top of it. It's like self-cleaning. There's your certificate. This is elevator number 3.
First floor. Going up.
Let's try another one. So let's go up to 8. Here we are at 8. This one doesn't have the voice. So let's go 1. Here is your inspection certificate. Again, this is elevator number 1. Here's your cab view. I like how they put lights around the outside of the elevator. It makes it look pretty cool at night, actually. We're at 2. I think we're just gonna get off. While we're here on 2, let's just get a little look at the atrium. As you can see, here it is. Elevator just went down. Let's call another one. There's your intermediate call station. So you got that one at 1, that one at 6, that one at 2. We have this one again. Let's just write it down to 1 and see if we can get the middle elevator. So again, those are self-cleaning buttons.
First floor. Going up.
All right. Let's see, that one's up on 6. You know, on second thought, I think
Going up.
we're just gonna go up to 8 and watch the indicator, since I haven't done that. These indicators change really quickly. As you see, it didn't even change to 2. It went straight from 1 to 3.
Eighth floor.
And the indicator changed to 8 just as we were passing
Going down.
7. So let's go down to 1. So there are your COVID-19 protocols. 2 people are allowed in this elevator at a time.
First floor. Going up.
Oh, perfect. Let's try this one since it's right here. Let's go at 8.
Eighth floor. Going down.
Let's go 1. Also, watch the indicator. I don't think I can get both the indicator and the floor. Actually, yeah, I can. Look how quickly that changed. Yeah, it already changed to 1 before the elevator even got to 2.
Going up.
We're gonna ride this elevator one more time, because why not? So again, this is elevator number 2. We're gonna stand in the back this time.
Eighth floor.
Here we are at 8.
Going down.
Let's go 1. Also, I think that 1 button is missing its cover. Now my camera's not focused. As you can see, 1 is just flat, while the others have a covering. There's your inspection certificate. And here's your cab view.
First floor.
And we're already here on 1.
Going up.
As a bonus clip, we're sitting in the atrium. And we're gonna just watch these elevators for a little bit. As you can see, the one on the left is coming down. The one in the middle is going up.